Hey, what's up guys? Going on another ride through the Sierra foothills. We got a Royal Enfield Himalayan, 2 KLRs. I'm on a Himalayan. We got a bunch of people behind us on all kinds of different bikes. So, should be a fun day. Beautiful weather. Yep. Getting more comfortable going through the twisties. See how much I can keep up today versus last time. I'm also testing out, as you can see, I bought a Kyocera phone off eBay for 20 bucks to kind of test out a GPS situation. Damn, I sound hella dumb. To test out a new GPS and see if it works. Last time I didn't have the maps and we kept getting lost. So we'll see how this works this time. Never been down this way before. I've always wanted to, so it'd be cool to see where this leads to. Now we're on the dirt. Slow down a little bit right here. Whoa. My back end felt like it almost slid out. Definitely getting more confident, both in the twisties on the road and through this stuff off-road. Looks like we're coming up. Oh shit. Whoa, shit. Whoa, sorry. Fuck. I dropped my bike.
Leave it in gear, don't be in neutral.
Here we go. Well, I just had my first fall off-road. Took this guy down with me. Good thing we're all okay. That's all that matters. It's a pretty crazy hill to come down, but here we go. I've ridden in loose rock like this before and I don't like it. There's only one way to learn. I had my ABS brakes on and they started to like kind of jitter on me. So here's the water crossing. There we go. And then we're going up that way. Woo! Fuck. There you go. Fuck. Yeah.
We can hold it if you go ahead and try in that out.
I don't know if I can. That might be okay. Fuck, sorry guys.
No, you're
Fuck. I dropped it.
after you cross?
Cause I was on the slant right there, and when I started going again, it just I just dropped it.
Yeah, you can't stop.
I do.
I mean, your tires are like mine. They're not super aggressive, and yours are even more road than mine. That I'm sure doesn't help. I stopped down here on the hill, and I could barely get it going again. It's like my back tire just wanted to spin. Woo! It's getting hot. Oh, yeah.
2 drops in 2 minutes. Fuck. And we're back up. Couple of good falls. Well, I was feeling pretty confident until I crashed a few times. Well, I didn't crash, but laid the bike down a few times. Maybe I bent my handlebars back straight. That'd been nice. At least I didn't go down in the water. That would have been pretty awful. Back on some pavement. My clutch assembly, everything's functioning properly, so that's good. More dirt. My mirror got loose. I can't really see who's behind me now on the right side. Yep, we're getting back down to the water, so this one doesn't seem as steep getting down. Here we go.
Dump water into your engine. Dump. But just momentum is your key. Momentum is always going to be your friend in the process. Without momentum, you're going nowhere. Watch Carlo.
Did that. Yeah, that was fun. Here they come behind me. Squirrel. So I'm guessing that it gets kind of gnarly up ahead because Kenneth decided to stay back, and he said him and I will get through this swampy stuff. So here we go. Woo! Now I'm soaked. Woo! Now I'm double soaked. Wow. Yep. Wonder how much more of that we got. Hell yeah. That's awesome. Maybe I should have put the iPhone away in my pocket, or whatever. I wonder if my GoPro got all mucked up. Alright, he went to the left of this one. Yep, I almost brought a change of socks, and I didn't. I knew I should have. Oh well. My feet are soaked. So apparently there's a single track section right here, but not everybody in the entire group is comfortable enough doing it. I'm definitely not. So we're gonna keep it to pavement at this point. Ooh. Now we can see the whole crew together. What a fun day. Covered in mud. Once again, back on the dirt. Alpha Road, Omega Road. Yeah, that was slippery. What happened?
There's 3 trees that are down
Oh, so we can't go that way?
now, like right next to fucking Washington. So much all the way.
Damn.
The bright side is you get a workout. Yeah.
Go ahead, you go. I'm gonna let him go around me. Apparently there's several trees down, so we're not going to be going that way. I'm definitely the novice of the group. Luckily everyone's kind enough to show me some tips, and I don't really think anybody's too upset going a little bit slower. So yeah, I like going uphill quite a bit better than down. That one gave me a good hit. We're gonna go back up to the road, Highway 20, and head into Grass Valley and grab some food, and that'll be it. Of course, I still got to ride all the way back home to Vacaville. That'll be fun. Whoa! Almost again. Had to put a foot down. These tires on this bike do not like mud. Everything else seems pretty halfway decent. I don't know how far it was back up here to the highway. And that's why I gotta do it. Thanks for watching. I learned a lot today. Thanks, Kenneth, for everything. Everybody else out here, you guys are awesome. Cannot thank you enough. And goodbye.